Hi guys, today I'd like to introduce my D-Link Pro wired-free camera kit. This is a D-Link first battery camera that is introduced in the market. It's a 2 megapixels camera. It consists of one smart hub and 2 cameras. So let me open up right now. See what's inside here. Okay, as you can see, basically right, there is one hub and 2 cameras that is inside the kit. And this is a smart hub. 2 battery cameras. And let us see what other accessories inside. So this is a setup menu. Ooh. Mounting kit, all the stuff. Magnetic mounting kit. Adapter, 2 adapters that come with it. One for the smart hub and one is for charging of the battery cameras. Oh, and the standing mounting kit, 1. UTP, and all the screwdrivers inside here. Okay, and the adapter for the and the plug for the adapter. Okay, this device is purely operate on the battery. Okay, it is included with a 350 milliamps of battery inside here. It is the best scenario if you like to place in the area where there is no AC power supply. This will be the most convenient. This device is IP65, so what it means that it's suitable for indoor and outdoor usage. Then on top of that, right, it equipped with the smart hub. It actually comes with the USB for hard disk storage, micro USB slot here for the SD cards recording storage, and UTP. UTP is connected to your router. Okay, but best of all, it comes with a siren. So basically, if there is a trigger, anything that is motion trigger or sound trigger here, it will turn on the siren here. Though the sirens can actually go to 100 decibel, so it's actually quite loud to send information to within your household that someone has intruded or something that needs your attention. To turn off the siren, you can use the apps, or you can press the button over here to turn off the siren. Let us take a look at the mounting. You can just screw it onto your wall, ceiling, and you can actually just fix it like this. So you see. Alright, so you can see that actually can hold very tight. You can place in the area like semi-outdoor, facing your swimming pool, okay, or in the room or garage where there's no AC power supply. This smart hub is connected to your router, and the smart hub will communicate to the battery cam here. This camera is a 2 megapixels camera and the full resolution of 1920 megapixels, wide angle of 135 degrees diagonally, and it can support day and night too. So at night, right, it can actually go up to 7.5 meters in the IR infrared mode. The camera has built-in microphone and speaker, so it can support 2-way audio. The battery camera is equipped with 3350 mAh batteries, so it lasts up to 11 months with 3 minutes of usage per day. You know, it can actually last for a very long time if you put in the area where there's a less motion trigger. Whatever motion trigger or noise trigger, right, it will actually trigger the siren here. Basically, the whole thing can act as a full home security for your household devices. And this starter kit, D-Link has bundled with 1 year free premium subscription for up to 5 cameras. Besides these 2 cameras, you can either add on to other new D-Link LH series camera, or you can actually add on additional to this camera to the base station. So in short, right, one base station or one smart hub, right, can support up to 4 battery cameras. And that's all. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.